If you think you can make any woman beg for your attention simply by throwing money at them, then you are 100% wrong. Most guys live under the delusion that women will fall for them simply because they are rich now. To such guys, we only have one question. Have you ever seen a girl thirsty for Warren Buffett or Bill Gates? Why don't these men walk around with women all the time? Considering the amount of money they have, models from all over the globe must surround them. But that is not happening when you look at their daily lives. So what is it? Don't worry, because today all your questions will be answered once and for all. By the end of this video, you'll become a unique drug that every woman will be addicted to. Number 8. Complimenting her. Complimenting a woman is a beautiful thing. However, there is a way that you must do it. There is a wrong and a right way to do this. There is no woman on this planet for whom flattery doesn't work. So make sure that you are smart about it when you are giving your compliments. The way you should give praise to a woman is not being superficial. You should profoundly compliment her. For example, try praising her personality if you want to compliment a woman. Tell her that she is a hard-working person. Tell her that she has a highly artistic and creative spirit. These are the sorts of compliments she wants to hear. Don't compliment her physical features, such as saying you have great lips. These are compliments that will make her feel insecure and weirded out. If you want to praise her for her physical features, praise something that she has worked on. For example, comment on her eyes if she has put on some great mascara. These are things that you must put effort into noticing. Number 7. Interesting conversations. Having exciting conversations is a crucial factor. To make a woman call and text you daily, you must pique her interest in every way or form. Every conversation that she has with you must not be forced. It must be natural and smooth so she is comfortable talking to you. How do you make your conversation interesting? The first step is to make sure that you ask open-ended questions. Open-ended questions mean questions she doesn't have to answer in a simple yes or no. It is because it will psychologically enable her to reveal more. If you ask simple questions that can only be answered with a yes or no, she will get bored of you. Therefore, ask her questions, such as, how did she find her hobbies? These are questions that will ignite her heart and mind at the same time. She will be more passionate about talking when you ask questions like these. It is because these questions are about her. So, ensure you do that if you want her to feel addicted to you. Number 6. Bring things from the past. Bringing up things from the past is a very important trait you can practice. It will make her realize that you are a person who pays attention to her. It doesn't have to be anything wrong with her past. It doesn't have to be anything that has left a scar on her heart. It can be something that you talked about last week or in the past few days. It is because she will understand that you are the kind of person who genuinely cares. Such actions will show her that you are a person who thinks about her. Besides that, she will feel interested in talking to you about her past. Bringing up old conversations will leave a long-lasting impact on her heart. It makes your chat more interesting, and something will also click in her mind. Her brain will send all the positive signals about you, which then obviously means that she will feel attracted to you. When she feels attracted to you, she will call and text you every day because she wants to be with you all the time. Number 5. Deep talks. Having deep conversations with a woman is extremely important. How do you have a deep conversation with a person? The best way to converse deeply with a woman is by bringing up her distant past. Doing this will have the added benefit of making your conversation extremely smooth and exciting. Not only will she start to trust you more when she has revealed something from her past, but she will also think about you more often. So what will initiate these deep conversations? You can ask about her childhood. Ask whether she had a happy or sad childhood. Ask for specific details and go deep into it. Talking to a girl and bringing up her memories buried deep in her subconscious will make her feel attracted to you. It is because she is unknowingly allowing you to explore her past. She has let her guard down and allowed you to walk directly into her heart. Once this happens, she will start calling and texting you almost daily to have that fantastic conversation again. Number 4. Inside jokes. Creating an inside joke with her is an intelligent way of making her addicted to you. If you create an inside joke that is only between you two, then it will create a special bond. Whether she admits this or not, she will start thinking about you more. She will open herself even more to your personality. As a result, she will find you more fun and jollier, and your conversations will become more interesting. It is because the more she laughs with you when you are conversing with her, the more positive signals her mind will release. If her mind constantly releases dopamine and serotonin when talking to you, she will become addicted to you. Both of these are happy hormones that elevate a person's mood. Therefore, if you want to make her addicted to you, create inside jokes and ensure no one else knows about them. Because once other people know about that inside joke, it won't remain special. It will become public knowledge, not something secretive between you two. That inside joke's charm will be lost, and your games will fall flat on her. Number 3, sending pictures. When you are talking to a woman, you must make her feel interested in you. The question is, how do you keep her interested in the conversation? It will be easy if you follow the tips mentioned in this video. However, if you still feel that she is less interested than you might want her to be, try sending her pictures. But for this trick, you need to have an exciting life. If you live a boring life, the character you portray will also be boring. You will tell her you are a man who doesn't enjoy life. You are a man who sits in one place and doesn't leave his comfort zone. Send her pictures when you go out on your travels. Send her pictures of the extraordinary life you are living. If she sees that you are a man who lives an exciting life, she will want to be a part of that life. As a result, automatically making her interested in you. You can even talk about the fantastic trips you've had with her. Number 2, don't use one-word answers. As we have explained, to have interesting conversations, you shouldn't ask questions that only have one-word answers. The same should be applied to your conversational skills as well. When you talk to a girl, she might ask you a question. She might ask, "How has your day been?" You shouldn't reply with just one word. Guys reply with single-word answers and then complain that she isn't interested in them. She is interested in you, but you blew it because you thought you would look cool if you gave her one-word answers. So don't fall for cheap tricks told by fake gurus online. Giving her short, one-word replies will not make you look cool or anything like that. Instead, it will make you look more like a child if you follow these cheap tactics. There's an excellent chance that even if she wasn't interested in you, she might feel turned off after you do that. It could also give her the impression that you are not interested in her. Number 1, positive encouragement. Women love a guy who is positive all the time. They love a man who shows that he cares about them. So if you want her to feel addicted to you, you must become a positive light in her day. Don't be the person who is always giving her reality checks. If she says that she has dreams that she wants to achieve, then be supportive of those. Tell her that it is something she can most definitely achieve. Don't tell her that the world is very harsh and that she might be unable to achieve her goals. These are things that no one wants to hear. All of these are negative comments that will turn her mood off. You need to tell her that she can achieve whatever she wants in this world. You need to show her the positive side of the world. You need to be the person who lifts her up when she is feeling anxious or gloomy. Conclusion. The most important thing that you must understand is that you must be patient. If you aren't patient, then none of these things will work. These are not robotic interactions where your prompts will yield an immediate result. It is a real-life human being. We are much more complicated than that. So have patience and wait. Things will unfold in your favor if you intelligently make your moves. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.